That's our spray handles here. They fit on most spray cans over the top there. They're plastic. Just come off just like that. Snap back in place. I've had these ones about 5 years. I think I ordered 2 of them, 2 or 3. But very handy. Doesn't wear your finger out like trying to hit the, hold it and do a controlled pattern. Things work good. You know, you're not using a spray gun really, but it kind of mimics one when you're doing it. So they do work good.